Well, today we want to talk to you a little bit about gun safety. You know, if you're like most of us, eventually you're going to want to take your rifle out and, get a little upgrade, get a little better trigger, uh, get your barrel floated or something done to your rifle. And what we want to talk about today is just how important it is to fully test your rifle when you get it back from the gun shop and not just assume that nothing's changed with the rifle. This rifle here, it's actually Miss Ruth's rifle. Had a real hard trigger on it. And I sent it out. I wanted to get her a nice crisp trigger. And when we got it back, we had a nice crisp trigger, all right. But when we were test firing it, we noticed that when you flip the safety on, under certain conditions, it would fire the gun without actually pulling the trigger. And, we want to show that to you today because, this could get you killed, or it could get one of your hunting partners killed, totally unintentionally, and something you wouldn't expect to happen with the rifle. And, it was pretty scary when we saw it happen, to be honest with you. And thank God we caught it and we fully tested the rifle. But when you take this rifle, just like it sits, it's got a bullet in the barrel, it's on safety, my hand's not on the trigger, and we're going to do this, we're going to show you, because we think it's important to show you just how serious and how deadly this is. So we're going to misfire this gun intentionally. If you watch, all I'm going to do is put my finger and push the safety forward. That, my friend, is about as deadly as it gets. And that's why we showed it to you, because when it comes to gun safety, it's deadly serious business. And that's something I would not want to see anybody else have this problem, and I felt like it was important to share it with you.